Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to learn something very useful.
Yes, today's topic is shopping conversations in English for real-life situations.
Many people go shopping daily but feel shy to speak in English.
So today, we will learn simple sentences to speak confidently while shopping.
Let me ask you honestly, do you feel nervous while talking in shops?
Most people feel confused because they don't know what to say clearly.
But today we will make it very simple and natural for you.
Yes, no difficult words, only easy English that works in real life.
Now imagine you enter a shop to buy something important.
The shopkeeper looks at you and waits for your response.
You can start by saying, "Hello, I am looking for something."
Or you can say, "Hi, can you help me find this item?"
These are simple and polite ways to start a conversation.
A good start makes you feel more comfortable while speaking.
Now imagine you want to ask for a specific product.
You can say, "Do you have this item available in your shop?"
Or you can say, "I am looking for a shirt in medium size."
These sentences are clear and easy to understand for the shopkeeper.
Simple communication always works better than complicated language. Now let us talk about asking the price of a product.
This is one of the most common situations in shopping.
You can say, "What is the price of this product?"
Or you can say, "How much does this cost?"
Both sentences are correct and very commonly used everywhere.
Practice them so you can use them naturally without thinking.
Now imagine you want to see more options or designs.
You can say, "Can you show me more options like this?"
Or you can say, "Do you have this in another color?"
This helps you continue the conversation easily.
And it shows confidence while speaking English in real situations. Now let us talk about trying something like clothes or shoes.
You can say, "Can I try this shirt before buying it?"
Or you can say, "Do you have a trial room available here?"
These are very useful sentences while shopping in clothing stores.
Always speak clearly and politely while asking such questions. Now imagine you like the product but want a discount.
You can say, "Is there any discount on this product?"
Or you can say, "Can you give me a better price?"
These sentences are common and used in many markets.
Speaking politely increases your chances of getting a good response. Now let us talk about comparing products before making a decision.
You can say, "Which one is better in quality?"
Or you can say, "Which product do you recommend?"
This helps you make a better choice while shopping.
And also builds your confidence in speaking English. Now imagine you decide to buy the product.
You can say, "I will take this product."
Or you can say, "I want to buy this item."
Simple and direct sentences are always effective.
No need to make long or complicated sentences. Now let us talk about payment.
You can say, "Can I pay by card or cash?"
Or you can say, "Do you accept online payment?"
These sentences are very useful in modern shopping situations.
Practice them so you can use them confidently anywhere. Now imagine you receive the product and want to check it.
You can say, "Can I check the product before leaving?"
Or you can say, "Please pack it carefully."
These small sentences make your communication smooth and clear.
Now let us talk about returning or exchanging a product.
You can say, "Can I return this product if needed?"
Or you can say, "What is your return policy?"
This is important in many shopping situations.
Always ask clearly so you understand the conditions properly. Now imagine you finish shopping and want to leave.
You can say, "Thank you, I really liked your service."
Or you can say, "Thanks, I will visit again."
This leaves a positive impression and shows good manners.
Politeness is always important in every conversation. Now let us talk about confidence in shopping conversations.
Confidence doesn't come from perfect English, it comes from practice.
If you practice daily, your fear will slowly disappear.
And your speaking will become natural and smooth over time.
Now imagine after 1 week of practicing these sentences regularly.
You will feel comfortable speaking English in shops and markets.
Your hesitation will reduce and your confidence will increase.
This is the power of simple daily practice.
Now let us quickly summarize everything we learned today.
Use simple sentences, speak clearly, and do not fear mistakes.
Practice in real life and try to speak English whenever possible.
Confidence will grow step by step with consistency.
Now tell me honestly, will you try speaking English while shopping next time?
If yes, say, "I will practice and improve my English daily."
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and keep speaking every day.
We will see you again with another real-life English conversation.